Right, now I can show you the timing marks for the 1.6 Tdci engine. So camshaft is at the top, goes straight through into the casing behind. That's an 8mm drill bit, that is. Fuel pump sits between there, so it can move on it as long as it's about there, thereabouts. That's a 5mm drill bit. Now the crankshaft, I don't know if you can see that down there, has got a round hole in the reluctor ring, and the pickup for the, you can see that, I'll pull that out. Right. You can see one round hole on there, all the others are elongated. So that round hole, let's see if I can show you this, goes through there, straight into the front cover there. So you literally get your drill bit once that's lined up, goes through there, into the back, it goes through there, straight into the back like that. Easy as that, nothing to it really. So now that engine is perfectly timed up.